Get into a car with value. 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the work site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, remote engine start, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, bed liner, premium sound system, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.